For joining us here on Times Now. I am Hina Gambhir. Let's get started with the big story that we are getting for you at this point in time. And this is about Kerala Story Part 2. The release of this film has been stayed. It's being seen as a big setback for the makers of Kerala Story Part 2. The hearing was going on in Kerala High Court, and the outcome is that the court has stayed the release of this particular film. This film was supposed to be released tomorrow. Court has recorded that there are no objections to the petition, to what arguments that have been filed by the petitioners for accepting additional documents. And this is the latest update coming in. Please challenge certification validity. Court has accepted additional documents, and third respondents' objections have been overruled. It's an interim stay that we are talking about on Kerala Story Part 2's release. The film was supposed to be released tomorrow, and now the Kerala High Court, in fact, has announced that it will not be releasing tomorrow. Let's go across to my colleague Arpita joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Arpita, what exactly happened in the courtroom today? This clearly is being seen as a big setback for the filmmakers. Arpita, can you hear me? Well, I don't think Arpita is able to hear me. We will try and reconnect with Arpita in just a bit. But this is the big news that we are getting for you at this point in time. Kerala Story Part 2 that was supposed to be released tomorrow is not going to be releasing tomorrow because the Kerala High Court has ordered a stay on the release of the film. It's an interim stay that has been announced by the Kerala High Court. Remember, the hearing was going on in the court for quite some time because questions were raised after film's teaser was dropped, because a lot of scenes in the teaser were something that were not really liked by the people of Kerala. Specifically, a lot of them in fact raised objections to the trailer, and then the matter went to the High Court, and now the latest update is that High Court has decided that the film will not be releasing tomorrow. It's clearly being seen as a big setback for the filmmakers. And remember, not just by the court, in fact, several other people from the film fraternity had also slammed this particular film, calling it a propaganda. Arpita, if you can hear me, can you tell us what happened in the courtroom today? Well, I don't think we have Arpita connected. We will try and reconnect with her in just a bit. There's some problem with the audio line out there. We'll try and reconnect with Arpita and get you more details on this particular story. But viewers, the big breaking that we are getting for you at this point in time is about the film Kerala Story 2. The release has been stayed. It's clearly a setback for the filmmakers. Updates coming in at this point in time. Huge setback for the Kerala Story 2. High Court stays release of Kerala Story 2. The court has ordered an interim stay on the release. The charge is absence of application of mind. High Court has observed that prima facie CBFC did not apply mind. So those are some very strong observations that we are talking about that have come from the Kerala High Court, not just against the filmmakers, but also raising questions on the CBFC. The certification board, in fact, CBFC to review the plea within 2 weeks is the latest update that we are getting for you at this point in time. This is the big news that we are getting right now. It is about Kerala Story Part 2. The release of the film has been stayed. The film was supposed to be released tomorrow, but now the court has ordered interim stay on the release of the film. Absence of application of mind is the charge. The court observed that prima facie there was an absence of application of mind by CBFC while granting certification. Remember, the film already had obtained the CBFC certification and then there were voices emerging from Kerala, from the political parties in Kerala, and also from people from the film fraternity who called this film, after seeing the trailer, as mere propaganda. Filmmakers, of course, came out and suggested that it's not just about Kerala. In fact, it is about what's happening across the country. But then the court during the hearing also observed that perhaps, the trailer, the way it has been put out, it is misleading. Court also wanted to have a screening of this particular film, and that was supposed to happen today. And now the court has ordered interim stay on the release of this particular film. Let's now move on and shift our focus